Question 28 is about how to find the pH value of a weak acid. Okay, for a weak acid, remember the equilibrium. Because this is weak, then very few of them is dissociation. So actually the HA concentration will be the original concentration 0.1. And then remember the equation, look at pH equals pKa plus log concentration of A minus over concentration of HA. Do it step by step. The lower one is just 0.1, and this one is just concentration of H plus. So moving this whole thing to the left will be just another pH. So add together it becomes 2 pH. And pKa is log 10 to the power -5. And this is not 10. So this one is 1 and this one is 5. So add together is 6. So 2 pH is 6. So pH is 3. So the answer is B. Thank you.